Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share something that's made a significant impact on my fitness journey over the past 6 months. I've been using an app called PeakWatch and it's truly transformed how I train, recover and understand my body. If you are an Apple Watch user and a fitness enthusiast like me, stick around because this app might just be a game changer for you. So what exactly is PeakWatch app? It's a pretty advanced fitness and health tracking app designed to help you train smarter, recover faster, feel happier and sleep better. It dives deep into key health metrics like heart rate variability (HRV), resting heart rate, sleep patterns, and so on. By analyzing all this information, the PeakWatch app provides personalized training recommendations tailored just for you. The PeakWatch app helped me to reach my peak performance without burning out. The standard Apple Health app is quite limited. While the Apple Watch collects a lot of health-related data, it doesn't do anything useful with it. This is where the PeakWatch app comes in. Now let's talk about the Apple Watch integration. One of my favorite features is the body battery. Remember Garmin's body battery? Well, PeakWatch brings a similar concept right to your Apple Watch. It gives you a real-time visual of your energy levels throughout the day. Trust me, seeing your energy drain and recharge is both fascinating and incredibly useful. When my body battery is low, I know it's time to rest and recharge. Another standout feature is the recovery insights. By analyzing your HRV and resting heart rate, the PeakWatch app tells you how ready your body is for the next workout. There have been days when I felt ready to push hard, but the app suggested I take it easy. And it was right. It helped me avoid overtraining and stay injury-free. Then there is the exertion and training recommendations. It provides real-time feedback on how hard you should be training based on your current recovery status. It's like having a personal coach on your wrist, ensuring you are training smarter, not just harder. Overall, PeakWatch app turns your Apple Watch into a professional sports watch. It takes all the raw data that Apple Watch collects and turns it into meaningful insights. The stress tracking is another eye-opener. By monitoring fluctuations in my HRV, the PeakWatch app gives me insights into my stress levels throughout the day. It's made me more mindful of how non-physical stress affects my training and recovery. The sleep trend insights have been invaluable. Sleep quality is crucial for recovery, and the app tracks everything from sleep duration to oxygen levels. It's encouraged me to prioritize sleep, which has made a noticeable difference in how I feel and perform. Moving on to the iPhone app, this is where you can dive even deeper into your data. The long-term training balance feature lets you see your training load over weeks and months. It helped me plan my training cycles more effectively by balancing intense periods with adequate recovery. After over 6 months of using PeakWatch app, I can honestly say it's become an essential part of my fitness routine. It's like having a personal trainer and health coach combined, all accessible from my wrist and phone. PeakWatch has helped me understand my body better, avoid burnout, and make informed decisions about my training. Whether you're a professional athlete or someone just starting their fitness journey, I highly recommend giving PeakWatch a try. If you're interested, you can find it on the App Store. I'll leave the link below. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you at your next peak. Bye.